In this video, we are going to learn one trading strategy. If you are busy with your jobs, especially with your business also, and not able to sit in front of the screen all the time, then you need to do swing trading. If you want to make money out of market and not able to give proper time to sit in front of the screen, then swing trading is the best option to do in stock trading. So make sure you watch this video till the end. Hello everyone, my name is Yagnesh Patel and I am back with one more power pack video on swing trading strategy. I got so many requests and for about short term trading, especially the person who are not able to give proper time in the market hours. Then I decided to make one swing trading strategy to teach you. So all the subscribers, especially who are very interested to make money in stock trading, may learn this strategy and also make a profit out of this strategy. So if you are ready to learn this strategy, say yes in the comment section also. So let's learn the system which we are using for swing trading. So first of all, we are going to use some simple tools. With the help of only price also we can able to trade. So in this video we are going to learn that also, that with the help of the price even we can trade in stock market. So very first step to learn and to do this proper strategy to execute is we are going to use daily time frame. Okay, so if you are busy, then you can able to learn, you can able to do your practice at the end of the evening, or maybe in the night period, or maybe in the early morning before market hour starts. You can simply analyze the daily chart and we are going to use daily time frame for this trading strategy. And what is the tool we are going to use? Very simple, one candlestick pattern, that is Harami candlestick pattern. So if you are not aware about the Harami candlesticks, then I am going to teach you in detail. Don't worry and don't go anywhere. We are going to learn simple strategy with the help of Harami candlestick pattern. There are two types of Harami candlesticks. One is bullish Harami candlestick and another is bearish Harami candlestick pattern. And don't go with the word the Harami. This is not the Hindi word. This is the Japanese word, which means that Harami is like a pregnant lady. Okay, so we are going to learn the characteristic of the Harami candlestick pattern. So let's start with the first one. Candlestick pattern is bullish Harami candlestick pattern. So first we are going to learn so this candlestick pattern appears something like this. The first candle is like big body, and it is specially in nature, it is a bearish candle. So I will denote like this: bearish candle, red candle or black candle. And the one other candle which has a very small body, something like this. Color of this small body doesn't matter. Might possible it will be a red candle, black candle, or maybe a green or white candle, doesn't matter. But in a bullish Harami candlestick pattern, very important is the first candle should be your bearish candle, and the second candle comes inside the first one. You can see this is the body of the candle. The first candle is your mother candle and the second candle is your baby candle. So this is a very important characteristics. The first candle, the mother candle, should be your bearish candle, red or maybe black, and the second candle, the baby candle, color doesn't matter, but what is important is it should be within the first candle body only. We are not considering the wicks. Wicks may be like this or this, but we are not considering wicks, but only body. That's why I have marked something like this. So this is your bullish Harami candlestick pattern. So now I am very much sure that you now aware about the how to find bullish Harami candlestick pattern. So where to find bullish Harami candlestick pattern is after a very good decline or maybe some kind of downtrend appears. Then if you find this kind of pattern and something like this, market is going down and at the end of the bottom it's something like this candlestick appears, bullish Harami. This is the ideal place to take a trade with the help of this candlestick pattern. So I will show you in detail how we are going to take entry, what is the exact particular price, entry price, where to put your stop loss also, and what kind of target we are expecting. So we are going to learn that also. It's time to learn the bearish Harami candlestick pattern. So we are going to learn the first candle should be your big candle, and I'm going to mark this is your first candle. First candle should be your big body candle, and make sure it should be your bullish white candlestick pattern. Okay, and the second candle is your baby candle, and color of this candle doesn't matter, so I'm going to mark this as a bearish candle. So if something like this appears after a good uptrend, it is your reversal candlestick pattern and bearish Harami candlestick pattern. What's the word? Bearish Harami candlestick pattern. We can clearly understand that this is the mother candle, this is the baby candle. A pregnant lady cannot run a 100-meter race. Same thing logic applies after a good rally upside, or in this case after a good rally on a downside. Stock has exhausted little bit, and this kind of exhaustion signal it provides on daily chart, which we called as bullish Harami or maybe bearish Harami, are the strongest reversal signals, and then we are going to take a trade. So why we have chosen this daily time frame? Maybe many of you have question in your mind, because we are going to take this trade for 5 days to maybe around 20 days period. Okay, so 5 days to 20 days period is a time frame to hold this kind of particular stocks. So if you are busy particularly, then you exactly enter at particular time as a particular price, and you just put your stop loss, and you don't worry about the price where it will go, because you have already placed the stop loss, you have entered already. So now you are waiting, maybe your target will come in some time, maybe in 5 days to 20 days, and might possible your stop loss get hits, because no strategy is foolproof in market. Sometime it will give you a stop loss also. Whenever it gives a returns, it will be like 10% to 15% return in a single trade. So if you are a trader and not able to give proper time in market hours, then this is the best strategy, because you are making around 10 to 15% return in a single trade. Imagine when you are getting 3 to 4 trades in a month period, you will make tons of money out of that. So this is the main motto. If you are not able to give proper time in market hours, then this is the best strategy to trade with help of swing trading. And if you are not able to give proper time, doesn't mean that after market hours you are also able to not give the time. You need to give time to analyze the daily charts of particular stocks. Wherever this kind of candlestick pattern appears, then you need to mark those stocks and watch, shortlist those stocks for trade in the next trading sessions. Because might possible this kind of candlestick pattern appears, but it will give entry after 2 to 3 days later. Some kind of consolidation happen, and then it will break the levels. So this is the main crux, that you need to do your homework after market hours if you are not able to sit in front of the screen in the market hours. So make sure and make note out of this statement. You need to do lot of practice and do your homework after market hours. Okay, so now we are going to learn where to enter in this strategy. So if the stock has given a good rally, something like this, and this type of candlestick appear, first candle should be your white candle, and second one is your baby candle, and we have some wicks something like this or something like this. Then this is the bearish Harami candlestick pattern, because after an uptrend it appears. So make sure where to enter. Whenever the first candle, this is your first candle, low gets break. In the case of bearish Harami, whenever this low gets break, it is your entry area. This is your entry area for sell, for short selling. And when to put your stop loss? The first candle high is your stop loss, which is here. This is your stop loss. So now we are all very clear that whenever the bearish Harami candlestick appear after an uptrend, some kind of this candlestick appears, you need to do entry whenever the first candle, mother candle, low gets break. Enter your short trade, and the high of that mother candle, the first candle, is your stop loss. Okay, and in this case, the bullish Harami candlestick pattern, whenever this kind of down move appears, something like this, so first candle should be your bearish candle, second candle we are considering as also bearish candle. Then what is your entry? The first candle high, this is your weak high. If the first candle high gets crossed, okay, I am using the word the first candle, mother candle high get crossed. I am not giving a closing. If it is crossed by next trading session, then it is your entry area here. And when to put your stop loss? Below this low is your stop loss. So this is the proper entry and exit we are using in this trading system, swing trading strategy. We are going to use this entry and exit. And what kind of percentage wise risk or return involved in this strategy? So I am giving you brief that the risk may be around 2 to 3% risk involved per trade, and reward, I already told you, around 10 to 15% of return in a single trade might possible you will get. So these are the proper enter and exit. I think you have learned now wherein to enter and exit, and the potential of this strategy in a particular trade is 10 to 15% return in a single trade, where you are risking 2 to 3% as your trade. So this is the whole strategy, and now I am going to explain it on my screen properly, so you will get proper idea where to find it, where to enter, where to exit, and when to book your profit also. Okay, I haven't show you right now when to book your profits, but make sure you watch this video till the end. I will show you some amazing twist where to book your profits. So don't go anywhere. Let's jump to the screen. Welcome to the screen, and we are going to check the system which we have learned about swing trading strategy with the help of bullish and bearish Harami candlestick patterns. So let's find out some examples, how to find out the stocks and how to enter into particular stocks, and when to book profit is very important. So let's find out some examples. So I have this is the daily, we are going to find out the daily chart, and first example is about Tata Steel. So because we are finding out some bearish trades, we need to go for some period back, and here is the Harami. This is the bearish Harami, because after the uptrend it appears. And if you are slightly confusing with this candlestick and this, whether the second candle within inside of the first candle or not, so we are going to check. The first candle close should be it is around 502.10, and next opening is 502. So the baby candle below open 0.10 by 0.10. So this is the purely bearish Harami candlestick pattern, because the second candle comes inside to the first candle, the mother candle. So now what is the area where to enter? So we are going to enter at this low. Whenever this low gets broken, we are going to take a trade, and here we can see is a entry point. Okay, and what is the stop loss area? Stop loss is above the first candle high, so we are going to mark this is a stop loss area. And what is the area of target where to book profit? Because if we are wrong, then we have our stop loss to protect our capital and to exit our uh, trade. But when to book profits, we are going to use slightly change and making a twist. We are going to use Bollinger Bands. Okay, if you are not aware about the Bollinger Bands, you can find out from this indicators. Find out, type the Bollinger Band, and you can simply click on that, and you will find this Bollinger Band here. By default setting, no changes in that. So I am enabling the Bollinger Band. So whenever you are taking a trade entry, if you are taking a short side trade, your entry should be your lower Bollinger Band. Okay. So in this case, we can see here it's our lower Bollinger Band is our target area. So whenever it is crosses or touches the lower Bollinger Band, book your profits there. So if we take entry from this low to this entry area, this Bollinger low, it's almost around 8 to 10% return. We can see 8 to 9% return in this trade. So fantastic trade with a 9% return. And how many days it has taken? It's slightly taking around 8 calendar days. Okay, or including the Sundays and Saturdays also, weekends also. So 8 trading days, and you are getting some 8 to 9% return in this strategy. So amazing entry. One more example we are going to check is Hindustan Petroleum. And we are slightly going backside to check some bearish trade. And here we have seen a very nice, you can see, I'm zooming out so you can able to see. This is a 3 to 4 trading sessions upside movement, and we have seen bearish Harami candle here, and we are taking a trade below this candle low. So I'm marking this low as our entry, and here we have triggered our trade, enter here with the stop loss of above high of this mother candle, the first candle. And what is the target? A lower band. So here it is touches, and here is also support area. So we are going to book the profit at this area. So here it's our almost 6% return in this trade. So these are the few trades which we have seen as our bearish trades. So now look at the some bullish trades. So starting with the latest example of Bajaj Finance. Bajaj Finance has given a very good trade here. You can see this is our downtrend. This is our bullish Harami appears at a down move. I'm marking the candles with these arrows. And high is our entry area. So we are going to take entry here above this high. The first candle high is our entry, which triggers here on the next day. And we are going to put a stop loss below the mother candle low, slightly below the low. And what's our target area? Here it's a resistance also in the Bollinger Band. Okay, you can also use previously support and resistance like this. In this case, this is the area of resistance. Okay, so we are going to mark this also, and the Bollinger area also appears at that point, and here it's a bearish candle. We are going to book our profits because of this resistance, and our criteria of target also met. So kind of returns are almost 9% return, 8 to 9% returns. And how many days it has taken? It has taken around 5 days, 5 calendar days. Okay. So let me take another example of Maruti. And 15 July we have marked the date, which comes around 15 July here. after a good decline, there is a Harami candlestick up here. Okay, and we can see the first candle is bearish. Above high is our entry point. First, I will mark the area. I will remove all the lines first, and I will mark here. Okay, entry above the mother candle high get crossed. It has crossed here on this bullish candle, and I will put a stop loss below this low. So our top stop loss had not triggered, and immediately after that, few days after, it has tagging a first time upper Bollinger Band, and also there is a resistance zone here. So we are going to book our profits because of the previous resistance and the Bollinger Band tagging also. The criteria met. So what kind of return we have made here? It's around 5% return. Yes, it's 5% return. And how many days it has taken from this point to this point is seven calendar days and 5 trading sessions. Okay. And one last example we are going to take is just dial. We have taken, this is okay, here is where you can see after a decline there is a bullish Harami appears with these two candles. The small candles comes inside this first candle, mother candle high is our area of entry, so I am marking the area here. It has triggered here on this candle next trading session, and I will put my stop loss below this low. And my first target, the even of if I consider the rules, the tagging of upper Bollinger Band is my area of profit booking, and also we can use this is as our resistance zone also. So we can see here after tagging the band, it also shows some kind of reversal at a resistance zone. So we are going to book our profit on this bearish candle. So let me check how much percentage it has given. So it has given around 20% return. Okay, and how many days it has taken? So from trigger day to this day, it has taken 14 calendar days and 9 trading sessions. So that's the kind of trade accuracy, and might possible sometime you will get stopped out. So don't worry, because no strategy is foolproof. But with the help of this price action, because with candlesticks we are purely relying on price action, and with the help of Bollinger and support and resistance, we are going to take our profits out from the counter. So this is the whole strategy, and if you really like the strategy we have shown you, do more practice and do more practice on backtesting data. Previously back data, do your backtesting first. After finding of maybe around 100 charts up about this strategy, then you will get some kind of confidence to take a trade in this system. So if you like the video, hit the like button, share this video to your other fellow traders, and do subscribe to my channel. Wait for my another video. Thank you so much.